Right, we've created an event and now people have started to RSVP, which means the games night is on. Very exciting, but I want to add a few slightly more interactive elements to my invitation to get people in the mood for the event, and also to let them easily share photos and videos taken during games night afterwards. So I'm going to edit my event invitation from the previous video by tapping the three dots in the top corner and then pressing edit. From here I can scroll right down to the bottom of the invitation, and here you'll see the options to add what's called integrations. There are currently two different elements we can add here, music and photo. And we're going to start with music by tapping the plus button next to playlist. From here I can either select an existing playlist in my Apple Music account, or I can create a new collaborative playlist that everyone can join in at the top. I've got one called Games Night, which has got some lo-fi chill music on it, so I'll search for that and then select the playlist. And now anybody who joins the event can enjoy this playlist before the party, but they can also add their own songs to it as well if they've got an Apple Music account. Now let's add the photos integration as well, and here we're going to be asked to create a brand new shared album for the event. We can name this whatever we like, and now anybody who's attending the event will automatically be added as a participant in this shared album. That means any photos shared after the party will be available automatically for everyone who was there. Pretty clever. Okay, we're going to press done in the top corner, and now we're back to viewing the event invite itself. If I scroll down, you'll now see the playlist and the photo album there at the bottom, and I can tap onto either to open up the music or photos apps respectively. Now, through the magic of editing, let's jump forward a few moments, because Safi's been adding some tunes to the playlist, and also some photos to the shared album. I can tap onto either of those photos she's added to see them properly, and, surprise surprise, one of our cats makes an appearance. I honestly had no idea she'd do that. It's not like I've got Safi's phone beside me here and I'm pretending to be her or anything. No, not at all. This shows just how easy it is to add these shared elements of an invitation. Now imagine how useful this would be after the event when everyone's put their photos there and they're all available in the shared album in the Photos app for everyone who was there. So now we're pretty much set for this invite, and hopefully you've got a good understanding of how it all works. But what if something changes or we need to get a message out to the group before the big day? Let's jump to the next video on the playlist and we'll explore exactly that.